Hi everyone, this is Raksha from Calilio. In this video, I'll show you how to use Calilio's chat to email forwarding feature so you can export your conversation history, share it with your team or external recipients, and keep permanent records. The chat to email feature lets you send full conversation transcripts directly to your inbox or to external recipients. This is perfect for documentation, team collaboration, and customer support follow-ups. The key benefit? No copy-paste needed. Your entire chat history is forwarded in just a few clicks. Now let's look at how you can set it up. After you've logged into your platform and are on this interface, navigate to the left sidebar and select the phone number with the conversation you want to forward. Open the specific chat from the list, and on the right side, in the general info, click on the three-dotted options menu. From the drop-down, select Forward Chat to Email. Once this box appears, configure your settings. Select the date range, select the email, choose the external recipient if there is one, write the subject, and click on Forward Chat to Email. And that's how you forward a chat to the email. Remember that forwarded chats remain downloadable for 7 days only. Now once forwarded, the conversation transcript is sent instantly to all specified recipients. They'll receive it directly in their email, ready to download or archive. This forwarding feature makes collaboration seamless. Teams can share customer discussions without switching platforms. Managers can keep records for compliance and audits. External partners or clients can be looped in by adding their email addresses directly, and so on. And that's how you forward chats to email in Calilio. Fast, simple, and secure. Now, if you need any help, contact the Calilio support team, available 24/7 via the live chat box.